Girls tend to develop language skills faster than boys, with studies suggesting they typically start speaking earlier and have larger vocabularies. Research indicates that girls often exhibit stronger empathy skills than boys, showing a greater ability to understand and connect with others emotionally. Girls generally experience puberty earlier than boys, with the average onset of menstruation occurring around age 12, though this can vary widely. Studies suggest that girls are more likely than boys to experience anxiety disorders, possibly due to a combination of genetic, hormonal, and environmental factors. Girls often excel in multitasking, with research suggesting they may have a slight advantage in juggling multiple tasks simultaneously compared to boys. Research indicates that girls tend to use indirect forms of aggression, such as social exclusion or gossip, more frequently than boys. Girls typically demonstrate better fine motor skills than boys, which can contribute to strengths in activities like writing, drawing, and crafting. Studies suggest that girls are more likely than boys to engage in collaborative and cooperative play, emphasizing social bonds and relationships. Girls often have a stronger preference for verbal communication over physical aggression, leading to differences in conflict resolution strategies. Research suggests that girls tend to be more sensitive to nonverbal cues, such as facial expressions and body language, compared to boys. Girls are more likely than boys to seek social support when facing stress or challenges, emphasizing the importance of interpersonal relationships. Girls tend to outperform boys in reading and writing tasks, reflecting differences in brain development and cognitive processing. Research suggests that girls may have a higher pain tolerance than boys, possibly due to differences in pain perception and processing. Girls are more likely than boys to experience fluctuations in mood and emotional states, which can be influenced by hormonal changes during puberty. Studies indicate that girls often exhibit stronger verbal memory skills than boys, which can contribute to advantages in language-related tasks. Girls tend to be more cautious and risk-averse compared to boys, showing a preference for safer and more predictable situations. Research suggests that girls are more likely than boys to engage in prosocial behaviors, such as sharing, comforting, and helping others. Girls typically show greater interest in nurturing and caregiving roles from a young age, which may be influenced by socialization and cultural norms. Girls often place a higher value on interpersonal relationships and friendships, prioritizing emotional connections in their social interactions. Research suggests that girls may experience stronger emotional reactions to stressors, which can manifest in heightened levels of anxiety or worry. Girls tend to demonstrate better self-control and emotional regulation skills than boys, which can contribute to differences in behavior and social interactions. Studies suggest that girls are more likely than boys to internalize their emotions, leading to higher rates of depression and anxiety disorders. Girls often display a greater sensitivity to fairness and justice, showing a strong aversion to inequality and injustice in their social environments. Research indicates that girls are more likely than boys to engage in relational aggression, such as spreading rumors or manipulating social dynamics. Girls tend to develop friendships based on intimacy and emotional closeness, prioritizing trust and loyalty in their social connections. Studies suggest that girls may have a more holistic approach to problem solving, considering a wide range of factors and perspectives. Girls often exhibit stronger verbal fluency skills than boys, showing a greater ability to express themselves articulately and effectively. Research suggests that girls are more likely than boys to seek help or assistance when facing academic challenges, emphasizing a collaborative approach to learning. Girls typically demonstrate better attention to detail than boys, which can contribute to strengths in tasks that require precision and accuracy. Studies indicate that girls may be more sensitive to social rejection and criticism, experiencing greater emotional distress in response to negative feedback or exclusion.